All right, guys. I know it's been a while, but we're back, and you're welcome.
Hey, boy.
So, I know we have a lot of explaining to do. It's been like a very long time since the last time we made a video. But, you know, we were just getting so much support in the comment section, we figured, you know, let's get back out there. Even though it's raining, we're going to give it a shot. So the goal here is go down into Newport and catch whatever we can find. And, yeah, pretty much it. We'll see you in a minute. It's raining pretty good out here. It's actually starting to come down a little bit, but we're making it work. We don't really care. So, chucking the usual Baker bait slug on the sledge head, and here's Don's rig. Trying something new here, actually, the war bait's underspin with your regular 3-inch swim bait. So, we'll see how it goes. It's pretty rainy out here. It kind of sucks, but we're gonna try to have a good time. Fish in about 5 months. I feel it's fighting like a bass.
Not bad.
It's kind of digging. Let's get her up here. Oh, yeah, it's a spotty.
Actually, a cool fish.
Look at that.
Not a bad fish either.
Baker bait in its mouth.
Yeah.
First fish of the 2018 season.
Look at his belly.
And it's an angry one.
Look at his stomach though. It's all fat.
This isn't my jacket, so I can put the fish up against it.
My jacket.
Look at her.
See its belly. There's some heart in there.
Probably a red crab.
Ew.
Pretty fish.
Nice. Let her go.
Not deterred by the rain. Just a master of all elements.
Alright guys, yesterday sucked. The weather was awful and we got rained on and just caught one. So we scrapped that. We came back out again. Weather's a little bit nicer. A lot of people out on a Saturday before Mother's Day. And so far we've been doing good. And we're hoping today's gonna be a lot better than yesterday. Throwing underspins, catching some live bait hopefully, and also fishing the Baker bait slug. So we'll see how it goes.
All right, back the next day. Don's got a nice one.
I think it's a spotty. Yeah. Right in the corner. It's fat. Nice.
Sometimes, you know, I don't even know, it just works out.
Watch this net. Put him, if you could bring him that way, that'd be great.
I don't control where he swims.
Yeah, you do.
Well, I'll just burn him up.
Oh, it's a halibut.
No way. You have no idea
Careful.
how long I have been asking for this fish.
Nice.
Wow.
You're in the zone, huh?
How long have I been begging for a halibut?
About a year. Nice. He's not that small, too.
Probably like a, what, 15, 16 incher?
Yeah, maybe a little bigger.
He's pissed.
He's puking up stuff.
Yep. Halibut scare me, dude. These teeth.
Did you grab him? You want me to grab him?
Yeah.
Alright. You hold him right here.
I got it like perfectly in that jaw. Alright, guys. There's the butte.
Nice.
Baker bait slug.
Smelled imitation.
Don did it. I know you didn't see it, but he farmed about 3 before this, so
Screw you.
I needed to make it known.
Not bad. It's actually pretty big. What's up, Kyle?
What's up, Kyle? Me. Gotta underspin its mouth.
Ow, ow. It's a nice fish.
It's pretty good.
Like 14 and a half
Fairly legal.
on the underspin. Look at the mouth though. Look at those teeth. Just went in my hand. Underspin, spotty special, getting it done.
1 minute you're ready to quit fishing. Next minute,
Next one, you're not paying attention. Feeling bite. Oh,
it's a chunky sand bass.
yeah, yeet, yeah. Yeah, yeet, yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
Was that supposed to be some pathetic attempt at a dab?
No. You want the release? Buddy.
Alright, we're back, guys. Had a pretty successful trip today after a pretty slow start yesterday, but we're pretty happy with the results. Ended with a few actually really big bass and a pretty decent sized halibut. It wasn't legal, but some of the bass were. But yeah, sorry it's been so long since we posted our last video, but we're hoping now we're going to have a little bit more free time, so we'll get back out on the water a little more. I know this video is kind of like a clone copy of like 4 or 5 of our other videos, but we're hoping to get some good ones soon. Subscribe for more videos coming soon. Peace, fools.